That's just like instant ice. Woo! Oh, my head. Whew. Oh, we got brown sauce for the... Oh, we're going full British today. We're going full British today. We're going full British today. We're going full Brit today. We're going full British today. Hi. I'll tell you what, if you get me to 500 likes, which is like 50 likes away, I'll start exercising. I'll say fuck the food, fuck smoking, drinking. Oh, I hate to say the F word of drinking. We won't even drink no Patron. We won't smoke no marijuana. We'll just go straight to it and start working out. It's in your fingertips. All you have to do is double tap, double tap, double tap. Hit that like button. We're so close. That's true. It is an 18 plus channel. Steak good. All beef corn dogs. All beef corn dogs. All beef corn dogs. Oh, look at this stink. Oh, look, I got a limp one. Isn't that poetic? Isn't that poetic? I got a limp corn dog. I got a limp corn dog. Isn't that poetic? In real life and in fucking food. I can't get a hard on to save my life. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. It's because the wood was in a bag, in microwave, and because it steamed, it did that. Now, if I would have let it wait a minute, it would have hardened back up as it would. I'm just trying to educate. That's all. And then you get a stiff, well, somewhat of a stiff one. So we're going to be trying HP brown sauce. In case you don't know, this is a brown sauce from England. The English mastered the tastes. And we have British mustard. Hi, I'm Teddy, and we're doing a clip. We're going to be doing a review, a clip, if you will. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Become a member for $3.99. Gift a membership for $3.99. Or just double tap your screen and run these likes all the way up. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be trying brown sauce from England all the way from the UK. Let's see what it tastes like on a corn dog. Let's see what it tastes like on a corn dog. Now that's the brown sauce. Are you ready? Double tap, baby. Ooh. Mm. Mm. Wow. That British food is delicious. Brown sauce. Now we're trying something they call Coleman's mustard. Coleman's mustard. It is a perfect blend that you'll only get in England. Ladies and gentlemen, it brings the banger on, if you know what I mean. Now, we're going to try British mustard. Mm. Now that's good. Oh yeah. Mm. Oh yeah, don't you know? Now that is pretty damn good. Coleman's mustard, HP brown sauce. Thank you. Thank you. My favorite? Why not both? Honestly.